The dream of global expansion starts with a vision of growth, but the reality is far more complex. Scaling your business across borders is the ultimate goal for every ambitious seller. But beneath the excitement lies a web of regulatory updates and trade enforcement that can halt your progress. Welcome to the compliance nightmare: local directors, complex tax filings, and shifting legal landscapes. Without the right partner, these hurdles aren't just obstacles, they're existential risks to your business. Finding a reliable local director and managing international tax filings is a full-time job you didn't sign up for. It's time to change your perspective. If you want to scale, you need to stop thinking local. True global success requires an infrastructure that anticipates compliance rather than reacting to it. That's where Flat Fee Corp comes in. We've built an AI-enabled approach to simplify your international expansion. Our platform handles the trademarking, the legal compliance, and the fiscal updates automatically. We turn the nightmare of compliance into a streamlined process so you can focus on what you do best: selling. From securing your intellectual property to managing complex trademark laws across multiple jurisdictions. We stay ahead of upcoming regulatory updates so your business is never caught off guard. Our fiscal compliance engine ensures your global tax strategy is robust, efficient, and fully transparent. In an era of strict trade enforcement, having a partner who understands the fine print is non-negotiable. We empower global sellers to move into new markets with the confidence of a local player. Flat Fee Corp isn't just a service, it's the backbone of your international growth strategy. Our modular approach means you only use what you need when you need it as you scale. The global market waits for no one. Every day you delay is a day your competitors gain ground. Don't let compliance be the bottleneck that holds your vision back. With our AI-enabled platform, you have 24/7 visibility into your global compliance status, real-time updates, clear actions, and complete control over your international legal footprint. Trust the experts who live and breathe international law and fiscal regulation. Our global network of professionals is integrated directly into the Flat Fee ecosystem. We don't just solve today's problems, we future-proof your business for tomorrow's regulations. From your first international sale to becoming a global household name, are you ready to leave the compliance nightmare behind and start your global journey? The path to international expansion has never been clearer or more accessible. Join Flat Fee Corp today. Stop thinking local. Start thinking global. Visit flatfeecorp.com to begin your expansion. Flat Fee Corp. Global expansion simplified.